Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Praveen and you are watching Techie Praveen. In the previous video, we have seen what is while loop, and in this video, we are going to talk about what is do while loop. So let's get started. So basically, the syntax of do while loop is do curly braces and the code that need to be executed when the condition is true. Code need to be executed, and then your increment or decrement operators, your increment or decrement, and then while loop. While, and inside the while, this is your condition. Perfect. This is the basic syntax of a do while loop. It's almost similar like while loop. So let's take some example. So do while loop, inside do while, I'm just printing I as increment, and I'm initializing the variable I'm just taking the same example of the previous video so that you can easily correlate and understand the difference between different loops and how to do same thing while using the different loops like for loop, while loop and do while loop. So by taking the same example, you can easily do the same thing by using different loops. So now it is while, and the condition is same. So this is your do while loop. So initially I have initializes the variable, that is I equals to value is 1, and do, if the condition is true, then is give it will print I, and this is increment operator. So let's run the code first and then understand how this code exactly works. So basically, the difference between while loop and a do while loop is when you are using while loop, it checks the condition first and then executed the code. But in do while loop, it's do the code, it runs the code first, and it checks the condition at last. This is the basic example. I'm just going to repeat the same thing. Means in while loop, it always checks the condition first and then it executed the code. And in do while loop, it's executed the code first and then it checked the condition. Perfect. Now, if I want to check the condition of a even number, so percentile 2 equals to 0. And inside this, I'm just printing I. Perfect. Now let's run this. So it will give me the even number in the range of 1 to 10. So now this is only for this video. I hope you like the video and you understand and you are able to understand each and everything in for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Even if there is any confusion, or if you are unable to understand anything in Dart, please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely try to solve your problem as soon as possible. And if you like the video, please like the video and comment some good feedbacks, or if you have any feedback in your mind, please give it to me in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. Thanks a lot.